So this is the Young Researchers Program. It's a program designed for people who haven't had any previous research experience.
So what I'm about to do is I've got a reaction going and I need to deoxygenate the system and get all the gas out before I put it into a sand bath to accelerate the reaction. So this apparatus is going to get all the unnecessary gases out.
The only way to really become a chemist is to get in the lab and try to ask and answer questions, try to target the synthesis of materials that haven't been made before, and spend time at the boundaries of human technology and scientific understanding.
We are synthesizing compounds that involve 1,2,3-triazole.
It's a pentagonal structure, 2 carbons, 3 nitrogens, making a molecular pentagon. This has become a very ubiquitously used substructure in medicines, in chemical biology, and materials.
Usually in the last but not least step to complete a reaction, we always use the rotary evaporator. And now we see that there's moisture on the outer surface of the flask, so we can lower it into the hot water bath. Later we'll see there will be liquid coming off on the beach. So this thing would help us get rid of the solvent that we don't want in a liquid mixture and leave behind the solid or a kind of oil.
So the number one thing that we hope students will gain from summer research is that they transition from being students of chemistry to being chemists.
This is called thin layer chromatography, or TLC, where I'll spot a little bit of the compound that we made onto a glass plate, and then we'll be able to see how many components we have in our product. See if the spot is UV active. So this is our UV box.
I think it has a large emphasis on hands-on experience, and also because we are a relatively small group, we tend to have a more in-depth conversation and know each other better.
A lot of the research programs they really only take people that have a couple of years of research experience or are a little bit older, and so now I have a whole summer of research experience under my belt, and hopefully that's something I can continue throughout the rest of my college experience.